How to enable Find My Devices feature on Xiaomi phones. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can turn on Find My Device feature on any Xiaomi phone. This will actually take your device security to the next level. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to enable Find Devices, you just need to open up the settings app from your Xiaomi phone, and from here just need to scroll down to the AMI account, and he'll get to see the AMI account. So you just need to tap on this one and make sure you have login with your Xiaomi account. Now once you do this one, you just need to go to the Xiaomi Cloud at the bottom right here. You just need to tap on this one, and under the Xiaomi Cloud you just need to scroll down to the very bottom, and he'll get to see the Find Devices. You just need to tap on this one, and currently it's turned off. So by enabling this feature, you can actually locate, lock your device as well as erase data remotely. So you just need to enable this one, and you just need to set up this process so you can actually find devices with this one. You can access device information and access location, and also enable the send SMS. And right after that, go ahead and tap on grant and tap on OK from here, and you just need to add a phone number. Tap on add phone number and add a phone number right here, and it's going to send the verification code through this email address that is associated with your AMI account. So you just need to tap on send in order to get the verification code. And once you have verified your email, simply go ahead and select your country first and add your phone number. And once you do that, it's going to send a verification code. So you just need to verify the code right over here. And once you do that, your phone number will be added. Now just get back from here and enable the Find Devices from here. And once you have enabled all this option, once again, it's going to ask you to set a password. So simply go ahead and set a password. And now your Find My Device is enabled. And also you can enable two different options from here. Report location when battery is low. You can enable this one and report location before powering off. And from now, your Xiaomi phone is findable. This is how you can set up the Find My Device feature on Xiaomi phone. Hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.